Hello tại Cao Hữu, Cáp Nhật Ngọ present bài số 7 lớp thạc sĩ ngôn ngữ Anh. Cảm ơn các bạn đã coi tập số 5 môn Second Language Acquisition, tập số 6 môn Testing and Assessment. Tập số 7 này chúng ta sẽ đến với môn Methodology tiếp tục và nó sẽ nằm trước cái phần Micro Teaching, một đoạn lý thuyết nhỏ. Let's look at how we actually bring vocabulary to life in class using activities and games. Today's sessions focuses on compound words and vocabulary games. These activities are designed as warm-ups to energize learners and prepare them mentally before starting micro-teaching tasks. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to recognize compound words, build connections between vocabulary items, and actively participate in communicative classroom games. Compound words are formed when two separate words combine to create a new word with a specific meaning. For example, book and case combine to form bookcase. Students need regular exposure to compound words so they can review familiar ones, learn new ones, and recognize patterns that help them expand vocabulary more efficiently. Vocabulary games are effective because they increase motivation, improve attention, and encourage friendly competition among students. Different types of vocabulary games can be used in class, such as drawing games, guessing games, and acting games. Even games not originally designed for language learning can work well. In our first game, Got It, students listen carefully. When they hear a word that matches a card, they quickly grab it and shout, "Got it!" if they are first. Talking about the procedure, to set this up, students sit in groups of 4 or 5. Cards are placed face up on the table, and the teacher reads words aloud, one by one. This activity improves listening accuracy, quick word recognition, and classroom excitement. In the second game, Backs to the Board, one student sits with their back to the board, while teammates explain a word so that the student can guess it. Students cannot say the word itself, they must describe its meaning only. The first team whose member guesses correctly earns a point. This activity is effective because it develops speaking fluency, encourages negotiation of meaning, and promotes teamwork. It is important to remember that games are not only entertaining, they are powerful learning tools that help students practice language naturally and confidently. After these warm-up activities, students are active, focused, and ready to begin the main lesson, or the micro-teaching stage. But learning vocabulary shouldn't stop in class. So now, we move to the final part. Nói chung lại là phần này nó rất là ngắn ở lý thuyết mà nó tập trung vào cái phần micro-teaching, có nghĩa là đôi lúc các bạn sẽ không phải chỉ tập trung vào lý thuyết. Nếu mà các bạn muốn dạy tốt thì mình nghĩ là các bạn nên micro-teaching thật nhiều, hoặc là các bạn có thể coi những cái demo, những cái micro-teaching mẫu ở trên mạng, có rất là nhiều người đăng ha. Thì nếu mà có thể thì mình cũng sẽ quay một cái đoạn micro teaching nếu mà video của mình được ủng hộ. Ok, cảm ơn mọi người đã coi.